This is a Johnson University online tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate the primary mechanisms for communication in Sakai. Communication is a critical component of any online course, whether it involves communication with the course instructor or with other students in the course. Sakai provides course-specific communications with a tool called messages. It's best to use messages for all communications in an online course, as communications content is kept within the course and less likely to get lost in email. Along with providing notification of new messages in the My Workspace Message Center Notifications area, course-specific messages are viewable in each course's Message Center Notifications area. Message notifications can also be viewed in your Johnson University email mailbox. By default, send a copy of this message to recipients' email addresses is selected as part of the Compose options as a way to inform the recipient of a new message. Do not use email to reply to notifications. Use messages to initiate and reply to all course communications. In other words, students should always use messages within their online Sakai courses to send and answer course-related emails to their instructor and classmates. A record of emails sent and received is recorded within the course, which is advantageous to both the student and instructor. To compose a message using messages, click Messages in the left-hand course navigation area for the course in question. Next, click the Compose Message button above the list of folders, listed as Received, Sent, Deleted, and Draft. On the Compose a Message page, you can select individual recipients or recipients based on their role in the course. Selecting Student Role, for example, would allow you to send a message to all current students in the course. By default, a copy of the message will be carbon copied to the recipient's email addresses. You can also specify a label: normal, low, high. Be sure to enter an appropriate subject in the subject line and message content in the message text area. Attachments can be added if necessary, up to 20 megabytes in size. Click the Send button to send the message, Preview to see the message as it would appear if it were sent, Save Draft to save the message content and come back to it later, or Cancel to discard the message entirely without sending it. Reading new messages can be done in a variety of ways. Message content can be accessed by clicking on the appropriate message in My Workspace Message Center Notifications, Course-Specific Message Center Notifications, Notification Email Sent from Sakai in your email, or by going directly to the course, then to Messages, and clicking on the link to see Messages Received. Click on the link in the Message Subject column to see full message content. Use the Reply, Reply to All, Forward, Move to Folder, and Delete buttons accordingly. If necessary, you can create more folders to organize messages within each specific course. There are also per-course message settings that allow you to auto-forward messages to an additional email address. A search function is available in each folder to search messages. The Compose Message text window includes the most common text formatting tools, including cut and paste, paste as plain text, undo, redo, find, numbered and unnumbered lists, indent, bold, italics, underline, font color and size, as well as content justification options. Hyperlinks, images, and even some HTML content can be entered into the text window. So to review, use messages for all course communications with instructors and/or other classmates. To compose a message, click Messages in the left-hand course navigation area. Select Compose Message, specify the recipient's, subject, and message content, and then click the Send button. To read message content, access the Message Center notification areas or go directly to Messages Received for the course in question. You may also access message content in your Johnson University email mailbox. For help with logging in, or if you're having issues getting into Sakai, you can contact the help desk using any of the following methods.